Nagaimo, a kind of mountain yam, is the made-in-Japan ingredient which you can always get here in America. Especially in the West, there are many Chinese and Taiwanese communities who enjoy this nagaimo as medicinal cooking. Japanese people also eat the nagaimo. However, Japanese way of eating it doesn't seem so popular yet, such as Tororo. Nagaimo is nutritious and edible as both raw and cooked one. Moreover, you can always get made-in-Japan nagaimo at Asian markets in America. Today, I'll show you how to eat nagaimo in Japanese way. I don't actually cook it this time. It's almost only cutting, so it's 3 minutes cooking. This dish really brings out the full flavor of the ingredients. I hope you like it. Let me put the ingredients and the recipe in the end of the video for your later use. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Ingredients: Nagaimo, dried Bonito flakes, and soy sauce. Just 3 ingredients. Alright, let's get it started. At first, peel the skin of Nagaimo with a knife. Just be careful not to get injured with the knife because nagaimo is very slimy and slippery without the skin. Cut the nagaimo thinly wherever you cut it into stripes or square shapes. Personally, I like the thinner one because the thinner shapes allow the ingredient to mix very well with the soy sauce and dried Bonito flakes. Some people might feel itching to touch nagaimo with your hands. In that case, you can use gloves to feel okay. Again, be careful not to get injured with the knife. As you can see, nagaimo is very slippery and slimy. Put the sliced nagaimo in a bowl or on a plate. Sprinkle dried Bonito flakes as much as you want. Sprinkle soy sauce. This is it. It's just 3 minutes cooking. As you saw in this video, the surface of nagaimo is slimy and slippery, but the texture of nagaimo is also crispy and crunchy. いただきます。This is one of the Japanese way to eat nagaimo. This is a cold appetizer. If you stir the sliced nagaimo in the bowl, you can enjoy both the texture of the slimy surfaces and the crunchy body. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Finally, I put the recipe and ingredients here. You can always come back here to check the process and ingredients for your Japanese home cooking. This is the recipe in English. The recipe in Japanese. Here is the ingredients. Again, thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またねー。